I'm going to sing some of Pretty Hurts for you. I hope you like it. Here we go. Mama said you a pretty girl. What's in your head? It doesn't matter. Brush your hair and fix your teeth. What you wear is all that matters. Just another stage, pageant the pain away. This time I'm gonna take the crown without falling down, down, down. Pretty heart, shine the light on whatever's worse. Perfection is a disease of a nation. Pretty hurts, pretty hurts. Oh, pretty hurts. Shine the light on whatever's worse. Trying to fix something, but you can't fix what you can't see. It's the soul that needs a surgery. Thank you.